I wanted to share a project that my friend Hannah, Elaine, and I collabed on last year. It was a collab and I did the sewing tutorial on how to make an advent calendar and she provided the advent calendar cards. These are scripture cards that will go day by day leading up to Christmas to remind you of what Christmas is all about and to kind of lead you through the story of Christmas in the Bible. So it's these scripture cards and it points you to scripture to read for that day. So I'll link those below where Hannah has them for a free download. And this tutorial will walk you through how to sew the calendar. If you just have a hot glue gun, then that is perfectly fine. Where I'm talking about sewing, just glue it instead and it'll be great. For this project, you'll want 1 yard of fabric. I chose to use felt, and then I cut it to 18.5 inches by 28 inches. Then cut 4 pieces of felt to measure 3 inches by 17.5 inches for the pockets. Next, lay your large piece of felt out in front of you and measure 6 inches from the top. This is where you'll pin the first longer rectangle in place. Measure 3 inches down from your first long rectangle and pin the rectangles in place. Now on each longer rectangle, mark every 2.5 inches for the pockets. Sew along or glue along 3 edges of each of the longer rectangles and along the vertical lines that you marked. These will make the pockets for your advent cards. Now fold your calendar in half and trace a plate to make a rounded arch at the bottom. Fold the top down about 2 inches and sew along the top for your dowel rod. Insert the dowel rod and tie a string to both ends to hang your calendar. Don't forget to print out the free advent scripture cards and fill the pockets. I've personally loved having this hanging in our home during the holidays, so I can't wait to see how this is a great reminder for you. If you want to tag me and Hannah on Instagram, I'll leave our contacts here, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas season with your family. Hi, Zaza. No. Hi, buddy.